silent when the engine is gone, but the numbers remain, waiting there for the dawn. 22,000 hearts that stop beating too soon. A quiet catastrophe under the moon. We talk of the progress, the speed and the steel, but we whisper the cost, the ache that we feel. 1,000 forgotten souls on the fence line, where the track is forbidden, yet feels so benign. Why didn't you know? Think of the man in the chaos of town, near the old Oakland tracks where the shacks were pulled down. He had no safe doorway, no shelter from dread. Now the cold hard-won gravel is his final bed. And the elderly soul whose mind started to fade, wandering lost to the choice that he made. Not malicious or reckless, just fragile and worn. A life that was struck before the next morn. Knows no retreat, and the pavement is cold where the rail and road meet. We see the signs now where the signal went dim, but how do we warn them standing over the rim? It wasn't the structure that broke, but a life cut down in the noise of that endless rail strife. 22,000 ghosts whispering low, the sorrow was sudden. Why didn't you know? The solution is cold, a distant keen light, the lighter that scans through the dark of the night. A silent protector, mechanical eye, watching the places where soft footsteps lie. We trade human failure for digital grace, a sterile defense in this desperate place, but it can't bring back the warmth that we lost. It can only reduce the unbearable cost. 22,000 reasons to look at the numbers and grieve what has been, to hear the soft echo in the spaces between.